Hi, welcome back to another chapter of Miss Nightingale or Miss Ying, Chapter 9. Before that, of course, ang ating intro, please i-like, share, subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong uploads. This channel is all about girls' love or yuri manhwa. This is only a fun translation. There are grammatical and typographical errors. A baby is calling her mother. Mom, I want this bunny. Okay, my dear baby. Mom will buy it for you. Hello, how much is this, please? While Zoyang walked outside, she bought a slice of cake from a cake shop and she went to a park to sit and relax. Tinanghali na siya kakaupo sa park at nagabihan na siya doon. That's when she decided to go home. She was walking back to her house. And she's now close to where she lived when she noticed a man with his children. Dad, my test results are out. I got first place. Isn't that awesome? That's awesome. My baby daughter is the best in the world. The man's face was familiar to her. She tried to remember where she saw him. Isn't this the man I met at the police station before? And he's the person of interest. Does he live here too? I didn't notice him before. Dad, I also rank in the top 3. Please praise me too. Alright. A family of 3? I didn't hear he mention the child's mother last name. I don't think he has anything to do with the case. He doesn't look like a criminal at all. That person, I think I have seen her in the police station before. Hello, Yao Yao. Let's eat together. Zoyang, hurry up. The autopsy report of the man's body in the People's Square restroom is out. The usipom was detected in the blood of the deceased and it can be preliminarily concluded that the deceased is likely to have committed suicide. There are so many people in People's Square. How could he be found dead in the restroom for so long? It doesn't make sense. Yes, if that's the case, there's only one way to find out. The toilet wasn't the first crime scene. The victim was brought there after he died. I won't talk to you for now. The jury leader is here. I have to go to him to report the situation. Dumping the body in the toilet. If it wasn't suicide, who moved the body? Why transport the body to a crowded place like People's Square? It's strange. That's the end of today's meeting. We are adjourned. Director. It's been a long time. I just saw you at the meeting. How's it going, Yao Z? Are you getting used to being back in the country? Although the academic atmosphere is not what it used to be, I feel more at home now. That's good. That's good. It's great news for us that you've come back to our hospital. Work hard. The hospital will try its best to support you. Thank you, Director. By the way, when I passed the ICU a few days ago, I found that there was a special patient in our hospital. I've heard about her past. I'm just curious. Why is she here? Why? It's a long story. Her lawyer presented a court with proof of her psychiatric diagnosis and she avoided the death penalty. But at the time, the prison was equipped to hold her. The authorities had no choice but to send her to our mental hospital. She's a controversial person. I see. Director, can I make a small request? Just ask, we'll do our best to accommodate you, according to the director. Director, you know. My previous research direction was feasibility, study of reducing human violent behavior tendency through drug treatment. I have always lacked an experimental case that can prove my theory until I saw her. Of course, I won't let your hard work go in vain. Whether it's a signed paper or something, what do you think, Director? Comment and react po. Thank you for watching.